how you can read your Facebook Messenger messages without having to open it first. So before we start, make sure that your Messenger is up to date. And to check that, first let us open our App Store and just search for Messenger. Now search for it and you can see my Messenger app is up to date. And now after it's up to date, just open it up. Now right here, as you can see, I have not read this message, I have not opened it, but to read it without having to open it, all I need to do is just long press on it, and there you can see I can see the messages right here. But as you can see, I cannot scroll, so you can just pull this down and there you can see the message has not been read. The other way is just opening this message up first, because we need to just set up a setting first, and scroll down till you see the read receipts option. Tap on read receipts and turn it off. Now as you can see, it says right here that your sender or receiver won't be able to see when you have read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they have read your too. So it's a double-edged sword. So as you can see now, even if I see it, they won't know it that I've seen their messages. And if you know, they won't know if I've read their messages too. So I won't know how if they have read my messages. So it works both ways, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, just leave a like below. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.